216 crores in the Hindi box office. Hindi box office, it has crossed 216 crores. Official figures has come. And people said that, okay, due to trailer hype and everything, okay, matlab Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it will collect and after that it will drop. They are saying, ये तो चल नहीं रहा है, ये दौड़ रहा है, it's running like a train, it is running. The movie is running like a train. And the way it is going, it will run like a rocket. Then after that it will run like more than rocket, it will run maybe like a speed of light also. You never know also. The way it is going. Yesterday I went for the second time. मतलब पूरा ऑडियंस ठुस कर बैठा है और रणबीर कपूर is now the prince of Bollywood. That's it. This year तू झूठी मैं मक्कर also became a sleeper hit. It became a hit. Okay, it has crossed over 100 crores. And last year कुछ पिक्चरें चल नहीं रहा था, ठीक है, सिर्फ ब्रह्मास्त्र आके थोड़ा कलेक्शन किया है, लेकिन एनिमल ने तो पूरा गर्दा ही रचा दिया था. जब शेमशेरा आया था मैं बोला था वेट फॉर एनिमल मूवी, बिकॉज एनिमल वाज अनाउंस्ड बिफोर ओनली. सो आई सेड दैट वेट फॉर एनिमल मूवी, यू सी द डिफरेंस. आई सेड दैट टाइम पीपल मेड फन ऑफ मी, क्या चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, देख लिया ना. दैट इज द पावर ऑफ वांगाइज्म. दैट्स द पावर ऑफ वांगाइज्म. एंड वांगाइज्म इज बेसिकली अ फेनोमेनन. इट हैज बिकम अ फेनोमेनन एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस. मतलब सब लोग यस्टरडे फुल क्राउड मतलब ठुस कर जा रहा है. एंड इट इज अ फैमिली फ्रेंडली मूवी. इट्स अ फैमिली ऑडियंस मूवी. एक्चुअली फैमिली ऑडियंस ही आ रहा है पिक्चर देखने के लिए. कैसे आ रहा है मैं बोल रहा हूं. बेसिकली फादर इज गोइंग विद द ऑफिस कोलीग्स. ओके, ऑफिस कोलीग्स है तो ऑफिस कोलीग्स के साथ वो लोग, पापा जा रहा है थिएटर में, मम्मी किटी पार्टी के साथ दोस्तों के साथ जा रहा है थिएटर में, और लड़का है, बंदा है, वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ थिएटर में जा रहा है. तो हुआ ना फैमिली फ्रेंडली मूवी. ठुस कर बैठा हुआ है थिएटर के अंदर, इसलिए तो इतना कलेक्शन आ रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई 246 crores इज द नेट कलेक्शन इन होल इंडिया. Telugu version also has collected like almost like they are saying that 29 crores or something has come from Telugu version itself. मतलब बोलो. And in Hyderabad, voting was going on. Okay, voting was going on. Percentage of voters only 37%. But percentage of people, occupancy in the theaters in the Hyderabad Telugu version and the Hindi version, whatever was there, 89 or 90%. So the number of people in the theaters of Animal is more than the number of voters in the Hyderabad city. So that is the power of the cinema. No caste politics, no religion division, nothing. Only pure, just pay the ticket money and cinema unites everybody and have a blast. That's it. That's the power of cinema, and that's the power of Vangaism. Vanga, it's a A-rated movie, 3 hours 21 minutes movie. People said that क्या होगा, इतना लंबा फिल्म बनाएगा तो पब्लिक देखेगा क्या. A-rated movie, people are dying for US certificate. People means most of the directors are scared. अगर मेरा पिक्चर A-rated हो गया तो नहीं चलेगा. देखो ये एग्जांपल है. That's why I said in the first day itself that this movie Animal is a game changer for Indian cinema. It's a game changer. And if this movie तो 400 पार करेगा ही करेगा. आज ही लिख लो 30 करोड़ मार ही देगा. ठीक है, मार ही देगा. 30 नहीं तो 25 करोड़ तो मार ही देगा. So this movie will collect more than 400 crores. Already it's a blockbuster. Like 100 crores is the budget of this movie, they are saying. 100 crores or 120 crores they are saying is the budget of this movie. 100 crores they are saying. So already it's a blockbuster. 246 crores it has collected. So it's a blockbuster. And if it crosses 400 crores, it's a mega blockbuster. So it's a game changer for Indian cinema. And that too, this collection is coming despite negative talks. Means all the jane-mane critics and everything are saying waste movie, misogynistic, toxic masculinity, क्या बोला है न्यूज शब्द. ठीक है, then full negative talks only, no this thing. So this is new India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Here the public will not see your reviews and everything and decide whether to watch this movie or not. 10-15 years or 20 years before, they used to watch the newspaper. Like I used to see the newspaper. That time no YouTube, no social media, nothing was there. So that time I used to see the reviews and then decide whether to go for the film or not. Sometimes I used to decide, right? That time there was no trailer or teaser or anything. So that time I used to decide seeing the reviews and everything. Now it is not like that. Now it is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Kachi Fatakka. Like that only. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Log decide karega. Public is the real king. This director Sandeep Reddy Vanga is a very gutsy director. And he has the guts to show violence on the screens, and he has the guts to show unconventional things on the screen. He's a very gutsy director, and he's a game changer. This type of movie I've never seen here. This much of violence and everything, and he has promised. Okay, this director reminds me of Ram Gopal Verma of the 90s. Ram Gopal Verma was there, right? It reminds me of that. Ram Gopal Verma ji's one movie is there. Now Ram Gopal Verma is making super duper ultra mega disasters. I don't know what has happened to him, but during the 90s he was a game changer, full game changer यार. He was, means that Rangila one dialogue is there. तो ये पब्लिक है, ये सब जानती है. पब्लिक इज द रियल किंग. पब्लिक अगर बोलेगा पिक्चर सुपरहिट तो सुपरहिट, पब्लिक अगर बोलेगा तो पिक्चर फ्लॉप, मतलब पूरा डब्बा गुल, पूरा पिक्चर डब्बा गुल. So this is a correct dialogue. Amir Khan said that dialogue in the Rangila movie. So that is the real truth. That's it. That's why Sandeep Reddy Vanga said before the movie release, he said that I don't care about criticism and everything. I just want to see audience reaction. That's it. And audience has given thumbs up. Audience has made it a blockbuster. You cannot do anything. And toxic masculinity and misogynistic, whatever they are saying, right? Okay, they say it for RRR also. They said for RRR, means Rajamouli's film also, they have said toxic masculinity, this, that one, all, something all, jingoism, something and all they are saying. Okay, अरे toxic masculinity दिखाए या black poison masculinity दिखाए या फिर green poison masculinity दिखाए. आपका बाप का क्या जाता है? आपका बाप का क्या जाता है? आपको तो नहीं बोला है कि जाकर रणबीर कपूर का कैरेक्टर से शादी कर लो, या फिर नहीं बोला था कि कबीर सिंह को जाके शादी कर लो. तो वैसा तो नहीं बोला है. So this is just a film. It's for entertainment, isn't it? We will means definitely we will go there. We'll also feel like an animal for 2 days or 3 days. Then next movie will come. As a movie was next 3 days, another good movie will come. We'll get inspired from that. So there are different films, isn't it? So that's how public's things work, isn't it? तो आप लोग मतलब इतना पर्सनली ले रहे हो. This is nothing. This is nothing basically. This is just opposite of positive. That is indifference. So their ideology and belief is getting hurt. Okay, Sandeep Reddy Vanga, whatever he is presenting through his vision and his ideology is different, their ideology is different. So it's hurting them. So that's why they are not even giving healthy criticism. They are just attacking the movie. Okay, attack. Okay, if it is a Ghatia movie, then attack. Okay, if it is like Gunpath, Heropandi 2, then whatever, Thugs of Hindustan, Bugs of Hindustan, those type of movies, Lal Singh, Chadda Madda Gadda, then you attack those films. Okay, means screenplay is not good. That means on basis of cinema aspects you attack, that's no problem. But you're attacking the whole ideologies, the scene जो दिखा रहा है, अरे entertainment दे रहा है ना, इसलिए तो public जा रहा है theater में. इतने मतलब Wolf of the Wall, they are saying that oh they are showing so much nudity and everything. अरे Wolf of the Wall Street में क्या दिखाया था मार्टिन स्कोर्से ने, क्या दिखाया? And here also they are not actually glorifying. If you watch the movie, वो तो नहीं देखा है. They are not seeing the movie actually. In this movie, what happens? At last, Rashmika Mundu will leave Ranbir Kapoor's character and go. He will go because he's basically means he's a negative character. He's an anti-hero. So last she'll also get fed up of him. So she'll also leave and go. And at last also, if you see the post-credit scene where they are saying, that guy will be saying, right? So that guy is actually not Ranvijay. Ranvijay is dead. It's actually Azim. Means Aziz Haq actually, that Abrar, Bobby Deol's brother actually. He has killed Ranbir Kapoor. My theory is that he has killed Ranbir Kapoor and he has taken over the swastik. Okay, the haircut. Because if you see the whole movie, then this gesture only Bobby Deol will be doing at the last climax. This Ranvijay will be not doing. Whole movie will not do that thing. So he'll be killed actually. He'll be killed. So this is a gangster movie. What else you expect? So really I don't understand. टॉक्सिक मैस्कुलिनिटी दिखाए, ब्लैक पॉइजन मैस्कुलिनिटी दिखाए, ग्रीन पॉइजन मैस्कुलिनिटी दिखाए, रेड पॉइजन मैस्कुलिनिटी दिखाए. आपका बाप क्या क्या जाता है? Seriously, I don't know. Then they are saying that cheating is glorifying. Yes, cheating part, only that one I agree. That cheating part, whatever they are saying, and he's trying to justify that cheating part in the Rashmika scene and all, he's showing the guns and everything. That I don't agree. Okay, that cheating part was not required actually. But that song, whatever was given, that Vishal Mishra sang, Pagal, Pagal, mein ho ya Pagal. That song is really, really good. Whatever it is, it was shot beautifully. So that song also was superb. So whatever was there. So this shot and all, the cheating part, that scene was stretched actually. That scene was very much stretched. That cheating part, whatever he's trying to justify, that I don't agree. The cheating part, that he had to sleep with that Tripti Dimri's character. He has to sleep with her to get whether she's the mole or not, and to find out the information. That thing was justified. That I also don't agree. So cheating part, I understand. Yes, okay, that is fair. Okay, that I also don't agree. It's okay, no problem. So that is the only negative. That's the only negative part. And Bobby Deol's character was if the movie is lengthy, people are saying that movie is lengthy and everything. That's okay. That's movie screenplay is there. It's lengthy and all. That is fine. Those are cinema aspects criticism. And Bobby Deol's character should have been given more space. Those are healthy criticism. Those are healthy criticism, that why Bobby Deol was hyped up so much, why he was given only three scenes or 4 scenes. Hardly 3 or 4 scenes he was given. So that is fine. But it's showing a toxic masculinity. How will Ranbir Kapoor, attacking family also. Attacking family. One divorce means really in the Twitter, one divorcee woman, seriously, some 3-4 husbands she'll be having. She divorced everyone. So she'll be saying that I really wonder about Sandeep Reddy Vanga's family, woman in the family and all. What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? I really feel pity on you because you're surviving by your husband's alumni, I think. I really feel pity for you. And then they are saying that, oh, Sandeep Reddy Vanga has never felt love or anything. Means he has never experienced love or anything, they are saying. Okay, experiencing love or having a marriage or whatever it is, okay, it's not a lifetime achievement. Or it's not a Nobel Prize winning achievement, okay? It's not a Nobel Prize achievement. Okay, whatever Sandeep Reddy Vanga has done the sacrifice, if you know of his history, he sold his land to make Arjun Reddy movie. Okay, that became a blockbuster. No producer was ready to produce that Arjun Reddy movie. They have rejected that Arjun Reddy movie. They said, get lost. He has sold that much of passion he had on his films, that much of conviction he had on his story, but no producers was ready to produce. So his elder brother, this Pranay Reddy Vanga, sold his land and made that Arjun Reddy movie. And that became a blockbuster. From there was no looking back. And today, the movie is about to cross 400 crores and it is one of the highest grossing movie of all time in Bollywood. Seriously. And Ranbir Kapoor's is the highest grossing movie for Ranbir Kapoor also. So this is called achievement, not marriage or falling in love and do Chichurapanti, Avaragardi and all those things. Those are not achievement. This is achievement. Okay, so don't tell all those nonsense and speak out your bullshit. Okay, nonsense rubbish. Going personal, then how, something and all they're saying, how Alia Bhatt is having daughter and allowed Ranbir Kapoor to do those stuff of going internal in the family and all everything, personally attacking. Do you know the difference between acting and personal life? Actors are personal life is different life and actors acting life is different life. What type of you are doing? There is differentiation. Simply nonsense. Some nonsense pakka means mental people, mentals, all mentalus. That's it. Now next this is Vangaism version 2. Now in Vangaism version 3, 4, 5, I want to see what happens. I think Sandeep Reddy Vanga should make a movie on marriage, how marriage is becoming a business nowadays. How marriage is becoming a business nowadays and how divorce laws are completely unfair and how some women, not all women, how some women are misusing the divorce law and how they are extracting money. कैसे लड़के को फंसा रहा है, फिर मतलब डिवोर्स एल्यूमिनी के लिए कैसा धंधा कर रहा है, वो दिखाना चाहिए नेक्स्ट मूवी में. I want him to show in upcoming movies that basic this divorce alumni basic, how the divorce alumni has become a business nowadays. You show that bloody. More and more it should become. ज़्यादा हो रहा है अभी, ज़्यादा हो रहा है basically. And those who are liking the movie also, those who are enjoying the movie also, they are ridiculing them also. They are saying, अरे these people are not human beings, means they are just scolding them also. अरे तुम होते कौन हो यार? Who are you to tell other people that, अरे if I liked a movie, okay, if I didn't like Sam Bahadur movie, so if people like that movie Sam Bahadur, it's okay. Let them enjoy. I didn't like the movie, I didn't like, that's it. So I will not say that audience are stupid. If Sam Bahadur becomes a blockbuster movie or any other movie which I didn't like, if it becomes a blockbuster, okay, fine, no problem. Congrats, maybe my review was wrong according to the public. That's okay, I'll accept my mistake. These people are telling that no, public is wrong, whole world is wrong. They are correct. This is basically, if those people who are thinking that whole world is wrong and you yourself is correct, that is basically terrorism. It's not feminism or anything. It's a terrorism actually. Terrorists these people are, bloody. So I want Sandeep Reddy Vanga to make movie on divorce alumni. How divorce alumni has become a business in this country. He should make a movie on that. बाकी डायरेक्टर में ये दम ही नहीं है. सिर्फ संदीप रेड्डी वांगा. This Sandeep Reddy Vanga has the guts to make on this topic, this sensitive topic, divorce alumni. How divorce alumni has become a business. Unabashedly he can make the movie, like without any filters or anything. He only can make the movie. No other director has the guts also. He should make a movie on that. Maybe a small budget movie also will do, no problem. He can do on that. Seriously यार, मतलब चुतिया पर हाथ पारे कर दिया पूरा. It's a blockbuster guys. Animal is a blockbuster. This success seems personal यार. This success actually is personal to me. It has become personal to me. Really, yeah, they tried to finish off the Sandeep Reddy Vanga's career after insulting Kabir Singh. They said that, oh, he's a one-hit wonder and all. Upcoming movies and all, he'll go down the drains and everything. फिर से साबित कर दिया है कि कैसा क्या पावर है वांगाइज्म में और क्या पावर है साउथ में, क्या पावर है साउथ डायरेक्टर्स में, क्या पावर है. Seriously. This will be the highest grosser for Ranbir Kapoor's career, and Kabir Singh was the highest grosser for Shahid Kapoor's career. So once again, it has proved if Bollywood hires South Indian directors, then the movie is expected to make record-making collections. That's it, for the star also and for the industry also. Simple facts, simple logics, no filters. Enjoy the day.